There is constant coordination between officials of the Railway Ministry and the state of Uttar Pradesh. Local police has been sent to the spot and they have reached. That's what Adib has been telling us. And Adib, another piece of input that you've tracked is that there are two tracks that have been damaged. So we also have the first information, the first statement coming in from the railways, and as per this information that there is no confirmation of any casualties. That is the first official statement that's coming in from the railways. There is no casualties as of now because no such information has been provided to the railways by those officials who are at the spot. So, fortunately, no casualties as of now. That is the first statement of the railways that's coming in, because site officials present there haven't given any such information. So, Adib, what more are you tracking? You just told us that two tracks have been damaged. On expected lines, the priority for the state is to ensure that relief and rescue takes place on war footing, and Railway says that as of now there is no confirmation of any casualties.
Well, see, what we are learning from sources on the ground is that around 10 to 12 bogies have been affected, and what we are learning is that some of the passengers have sustained injuries, but as per the railway, there is no casualty. Fortunately, there is no casualty being reported at this time. The priority of the railway and the state government is for the rescue and relief operation, as I've been telling. The senior officials of the railway and the local administration has already reached the spot and they are assisting the people. The rescue operation has started in Gonda. The state disaster relief force have already been rushed to the spot to assist in the relief rescue and relief operation. And the senior officials from railways have already been sent to Gonda to the incident site. This is what we are learning at this point of time. Soon, Railway will be releasing a helpline number for the passengers, those and the family members of those who have been affected in this incident.
A helpline number will be released shortly. The priority is to ensure that passengers are immediately, in fact, helped and taken out from the spot and from the overturned bogies. As of now, as per the railways, there is no casualty, no information on any casualties. But on your screens are pictures that we've just accessed, and we are getting multiple such videos to our newsrooms. We are going to put that out on the screen shortly. But on the right side of your screen, you're seeing the video that came in from moments after the train got derailed from the tracks, those coaches of the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express. On the other side of your screen, you're seeing pictures of the AC coaches that got derailed, and that also shows you the extent of the damage that took place after this derailment. As of now, the priority of the state and the centre is to ensure that passengers on board the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express are, brought to safety immediately. And that's the latest information that we're tracking. Adib, anything else that you know about the helpline numbers? Have they been issued just yet?
Well, see, no helpline number has been issued yet, but what we are learning is that soon the helpline numbers will be issued. The railway and local administration will be issuing the helpline numbers for the families and for the people who are traveling in this train. And what we can see from the visuals, we can see the extent of the damage that this train has suffered. These are the bogies that have been overturned, and what we are learning from the visuals and the sources on the ground is that some of the people have received injuries. The local administration, the railway police force have already been rushed to the spot. They are on scene helping those who are injured in this incident.
Okay. Adib, continue staying with us because you're getting us all the latest information when it comes to the rescue operations that are currently underway. I would also like to go across to the newsroom where my colleague Ankit is going to take us through the train tracker of the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express. But for viewers just joining us on this broadcast, you're watching the pictures of the moments after the derailment of the coaches of the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express, a passenger train with 18 bogies. AC coaches have derailed. We are seeing those pictures. Ankit is joining us live. Ankit, take us through the latest.
So we've opened here the proverbial timetable of this train, and so this is the 15904 Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express. It originated from Chandigarh at 11:35 last evening, and then it went through Ambala, Saharanpur, Moradabad. It reached Bareilly at about 7 in the morning. At 11 a.m. Sagarika, it was at Lucknow. At 2 p.m. it reached Gonda, and the next station was to be Basti, where it was to arrive at about 3:17 p.m. But at Lakhpat is where it has met with this accident. And we can also show you on the map that this is Basti and Gonda, and just north of Ayodhya here, if you can see. And this is where Lakhpat Nagar station is, and it is within 9 kilometers of this station that this derailment has happened. Now, what is to note here is that there are two stations pretty close by to here. Generally, when train accidents happen, the important thing is to rush rescue teams and materials there very fast, and in this case there appear to be at least two fairly large stations in the vicinity, so hopefully that bodes well for everyone who has been caught in this derailment.
Okay, and the latest information, Ankit, that we're getting for our viewers, and as you stay with us and as we stay with the pictures that are now coming in, is that the Railways has issued a statement saying, and unfortunately for that as of now there is no information of any casualties, and this is what they've tracked from their local officers who are on the ground. But viewers who are just joining us, we are bringing to you information of an unfortunate train mishap that took place. This is the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express, and a derailment of about 10 to 12 coaches, as per initial inputs, took place near the Gonda railway station. And like Ankit was taking us through the tracker, that was at the Lakhpat Nagar station. Adib also continues to stay with us. Ankit has got us basic information about when the train originated from Chandigarh, which is at around 11:35 last night, and 2 p.m. was when it reached Gonda. Do you have any information about the time when the derailment took place, Adib?
Well, see, what we are learning from our sources is that this train was moving from Lucknow towards Gonda, and as our colleague Ankit was saying, that the train next station for the train was Basti. The train was next station for the train was Basti. The train was to reach Basti, but in between the train has derailed. What caused the derailment is still to be ascertained, but the railway officials have been rushed to the spot. Senior railway officials are rushing towards the spot. The local administration, including the railway police force, have already been reached the spot. They are assisting the people. The first priority of the state government and the railway is that or to assist the
Adib,
people, the passengers.
I would just like to interject. I'll come back to you for more information. But right now, on the screens here in the studio, we are getting you the latest information from the Chief Minister's office in Assam, because this is the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express. Himanta Biswa Sarma, the Chief Minister of Assam, has been briefed about the derailment of the Dibrugarh-Chandigarh Express in Uttar Pradesh. The Chief Minister is monitoring the situation, and the government of Assam is in touch with relevant authorities. So authorities in the state of Uttar Pradesh and authorities in the state of Assam have taken cognizance. So both Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma in Assam are constantly talking to relevant authorities to ensure that rescue and relief is top priority. But take a look at the first video that came in after the news of the derailment, and these are the pictures on your screens. This picture goes on to show how the bogies that overturned and from the track, and most of these, if you can see in this particular video, these are AC coaches, as you can see here. So this is the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express. The train originated from Chandigarh last night at around 11:35, and it reached Gonda at around 2 o'clock, after which at the Lakhpat Nagar station, as per the information brought to us by our teams here, the derailment took place on the tracks, 10 to 12 bogies. And this is the picture of the complete overturning of one of the bogies, and right outside, right next to that, what seems like a few passengers and a few locals who were at the spot, who are also now helping in the rescue operations. So these are the latest videos that have come in. But the information that we are bringing to you is that the Railways has taken note. The state of Uttar Pradesh, the administration has taken note. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has also taken note. Now let's get you the latest coming in from the Chief Minister's office in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh चीफ मिनिस्टर योगी आदित्यनाथ ने जनपद गोंडा में ट्रेन हादसे का संज्ञान लेते हुए जिला प्रशासन के अधिकारियों को मौके पर पहुंचकर राहत कार्य में तेजी लाने का निर्देश दिया है। मुख्यमंत्री जी ने अधिकारियों को घायलों को तत्काल अस्पताल पहुंचाकर उनके समुचित उपचार के निर्देश दिए हैं, साथ ही घायलों के शीघ्र स्वास्थ्य होने की कामना भी की है। Just doing a translation of what this tweet that I just read out in Hindi, goes on to say is that the Chief Minister has taken note of the derailment that took place in Gonda. He's asked district and state authorities to reach the spot immediately and assist in relief and rescue operations. The Chief Minister has also told authorities that the priority is to ensure that the injured are immediately taken to the hospital. So both Adib, the state, which is the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, and in Assam, it is the Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma who have taken note, and even the Railways has released a statement. The priority is to ensure that those injured are immediately given rescue and relief, and that's the latest. What more do we know, Adib? What is the latest information you are tracking?
Well, see, as you were telling, both the Chief Minister office, they have taken cognizance and they have instructed, in fact, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath himself has instructed that senior officials to be rushed to the spot to assist in the rescue and relief operation. What we are learning from the ground is that the route from which this train is going has been closed by the Railways, and the senior officials of Railways have been rushed to the spot. They are assisting in the rescue and relief operation. As of now, there are some injuries to the passengers that were traveling. What Railway is saying, that there are no casualties as of now. But if seeing the impact, by seeing the impact, it's clear that some passengers have suffered.
The Ministry of Railways has just about 2 minutes back, the Ministry of Railways has also issued the helpline numbers. We've put out those numbers on our screens, but this is with regards, and they go on to say in their official handle on social media platform X that in regard with the derailment of 15904 Dibrugarh Express in the Lucknow division of the Northeastern Railways, the helpline numbers are issued, and the helpline numbers, they've given out the numbers for the commercial control in Tinsukia. They've given out about 5 helpline numbers. Pankaj Singh, CPRO of the Northeastern Railways, is joining us. Good afternoon, sir. If you could take us through the latest information that's available with regards to the derailment and the rescue and relief operations that are underway.
ट्रेन 15904 चंडीगढ़ डिब्रूगढ़ एक्सप्रेस, ये मोतीगंज से भिलाई के बीच में इसका ट्रेलमेंट हुआ है। रेलवे की जो मेडिकल वैन होती है ARME, वो साइट पर पहुंच गई है। रेलवे की तरफ से राहत बचाव का कार्य भी शुरू हो गया। रेलवे के डॉक्टर्स साइट पर पहुंच गए हैं। हम लोगों ने अभी हेल्पलाइन नंबर भी स्टेब्लिश किया है। लखनऊ का हेल्पलाइन नंबर है 8957 409292। गोंडा का हेल्पलाइन नंबर है 8957 400 965। अभी हमारी प्रायोरिटी है राहत बचाव का कार्य, और इस पे हम लोग कार्य कर रहे हैं।
सर, आपसे एक ये भी सवाल पूछना चाहूंगी कि अभी जो इन्फॉर्मेशन रेलवेज के पास है, क्या कोई कैजुअलिटी का कोई नंबर या कोई खबर आपके पास है? इज देयर एनी इन्फॉर्मेशन विद दैट रिगार्ड्स और एनीथिंग ऑन द नंबर ऑफ इंजर्ड?
अभी हमारी आर्मी वहां पे पहुंच गई, हमारे डॉक्टर्स पहुंच गए हैं और ऑलरेडी वहां पे राहत बचाव का कार्य शुरू हो गया। जैसे डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है आप लोगों से कांटेक्ट करेंगे।
और रिलीफ और रेस्क्यू के तहत कितने टीम स्पॉट पे है, क्या ये इन्फॉर्मेशन आप हमारे व्यूअर्स को दे सकेंगे?
बिल्कुल, हमारी जो डिवीजन के ऑफिसर्स हैं वो पहुंच गए हैं साइट पे। जनरल मैनेजर खुद साइट पे निकल गए हैं, उनके साथ जो सेफ्टी के ऑफिसर होते हैं वे हैं, और जो रेलवे संचालन से रिलेटेड सभी लोग साइट पे पहुंच गए हैं, क्योंकि राहत बचाव के साथ साथ जो रेलवे लाइन फिर से फिट करनी होगी, तो उसके लिए सभी तैयारियां की जा रही हैं।
इनिशियल इन्फॉर्मेशन जो आपके पास आया है सर, उसके मुताबिक क्या कोई आपको ये सेंस मिल चुका है कि ये कितना टाइम लगेगा, पूरे रिलीफ और रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशंस और ट्रैक्स को ठीक करने में कितना टाइम लग जाएगा?
अभी कुछ समय में जैसे ही हमारे कॉम्पिटेंट ऑफिसर्स वहाँ साइट पे पहुँच जाएंगे, वैसे ही इसका एक टाइमलाइन हम लोग बताएंगे आप लोगों को कि कब तक ये जो लाइन है वो ठीक कर ली जाएगी।
एनी इन्फॉर्मेशन, कोई नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु आर इंजर्ड, कितने हॉस्पिटल पहुंचाए गए हैं, इसके बारे में क्या कोई जानकारी है आपके पास, आपके ग्राउंड लेवल ऑफिसर्स के थ्रू?
अभी थोड़ी देर में इसकी जानकारी आपको पास।
Okay, thank you, sir. Wouldn't want to stop you at this point of time when all the priority is to ensure that those traveling on this passenger train from Chandigarh via the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express that got derailed in Gonda in Uttar Pradesh, they get immediate relief and rescue operations.